Here we go. First time in 20 years. Woo, that was fun. Definitely going back for some more. Yes. All right, I have no idea how I did, so whew. All right, so that was super fun. Wow. Love that. That feeling is just, oh, it's been too long. I don't know what I've been doing for the last 20 years, but it's been too long. So it feels good to be back at the track after such a long time, and I'm very curious to see what I did. You know, we'll see. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, so 12.4. 12.4 is what we got. So that was fun. I'm going right back in. I'm gonna run it back. Is that what we call it? Run it back? Go right back in, run it back? Well, that's what I'm doing. Because that was a ton of fun, and I'm ready to do it again. So definitely had some slippage in second gear. Hit second gear hard, and tires spun a little bit. So I don't know if I'm going to see any kind of improvement in time. Hopefully I break that 12.4. I'd like to get a little bit better than that. So I brought my tire pressure down a little bit. It's probably around that 26 maybe. I don't know. That didn't seem to help much. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, baby. 12.2. All right, so we just got our best time of the day. I think dropping the tire pressure down helped, and super happy with that. Let me stop the cameras. Super happy with that 12.2. I mean, if that's the best time that I get today, I'm okay with that. So stock car 12.2, that's the fastest I've ever gone in my life drag racing, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Awesome. So I'm gonna let the car rest a little bit for now. Yeah, I think we're okay, but I'm just gonna let the car sit. And I'm made 3 passes. I'm pretty happy with the final pass here, and my reaction time was a little bit better than what I had before. I gotta, you know, even though the reaction time doesn't mean anything right now, I obviously want to try and get a better reaction time, just for the hell of it. So we'll see. 4:31 reaction time, and that's it. So we'll talk more later. That time I definitely spun a lot. I got a feeling that's going to be a bad one. There's some spinning going on. I think maybe these Mickey Thompsons need to be heated up a little bit more. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to pay a little bit more attention to it. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I figured. It felt like it was not as good. That was a 12.5. Let's do one more run. Forgot to change the drag strip mode. Didn't turn traction control off. Thank you. Yep. Yep, 12.5, whatever. I'm done. But hey, that was a good first day out at the track. Really super excited. That was really cool. Had a lot of fun, and I think I'm gonna call it a day here and be happy with the 12.2 that I got. And let's start modding. That's what we came here for, and that's what we're gonna do. So mods coming up next.